fishies. You better get ready, 'cause the queen's coming. Dig queen, woo! Well, here we are, wonderful East Canyon Reservoir. It's a balmy mid-80s, which is nice and cooler compared to the valley. So far, my record here is, oh, I don't know, around 8 inches, maybe. I don't know. We'll see. I'm looking to see if JD and Alicia are here somewhere, hanging out in the native watercraft. But I'm about to put on my Anatic shade socks because I'm gonna be a lobster if I just wear the flip-flops. Well, some people have water shoes. Maybe someday I'll work up to those. I have old shoes. I just have old shoes that I just aren't comfortable to wear work or whatever. And I thought instead, donate them. I'm not gonna care about them and just get them wet. So they're my new water shoes. This needs a ponytail holder, or a hole for your ponytail, because it gets hot. Your ponytail gets hot on your neck, and a tick. Do you not understand, the ladies? Okay, let's go try to get skunked. Woo! Watch out, fishies! I'm on the prowl. Well, I've been watching helpful YouTube videos, which give you tips, but you know, you gotta learn from experience. But I was looking about shade. Look for shade. And that's really hard on a lake like this. So I try, and I didn't bring my depth finder today. I just couldn't deal with it. I wanted to go sort of light. But, so I think like that's got some shade, you know. There's probably rocks underneath that have some shade. So I'm gonna try it. I've got a little Wacky rig on, so maybe that'll work here. I don't know. Let's give it a try. Little fish are probably laughing at me right now. Ha ha ha, sucker. All right, there you go. Delicious, fresh, beautiful watermelon, green pumpkin, 3-inch Senko with flavor. Look. Oh man, look, it's like first course. First course, babies. Come to your queen of the dinks. We just want to say hello, acknowledge your fealty to me. Alright, so I had some little nibbles, but they were so tiny I couldn't even hook them. So we're gonna go down the road here. Just fish along this bank. Yeah, let's just try right along here first. This looks like a good place right here. Bingo. All I do is make a bunch of bubbles. That's not good. I have no idea what that means at all. Oh, I think I got it. Did I get it? Oh my god. Look, I caught a tree. Guys, I'm winning the tournament. I'm so winning the tournament right now. This is like my specialty. Elite tree harvester. Well, let's try along this rocky edge here. Terrible. Terrible, Kate. We can do better. I get scared I'm gonna just throw it up on the rocks, but what's the point of getting scared about that at this point? It's not much better. Oh well, just let it go. know. It's rocks. Rocks. Just rocks. Ooh, that felt a little heavier. Come on, take it, take it, take it. Take it, take it, take it. See it swimming, swimming. Got it, I got it, I got it. I got it. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. No! Holy crap, come on now. I'm gonna just, can't see it in the glare. There you go. Come on, Dinky. Yay! Welcome aboard. Dink Express. I got one, not skunked. Look at you, Super Dink. I got one. Queen of the Dinks. All right, you ready? You ready for your debut? Huh? Capture. Farewell, my little dinky friend. Ah! Scared me. Oh. Look at this, actually saved me from losing my bait because the hook went through the O-ring. This, now I see why people have O-rings, maybe. I don't know if that's why. That's what everybody does, so I just sort of joined in. Alright, that's really shallow. Probably just babies. Oh, got a little nibble. Got a little nibble. Come on. Oh, got one. I got one. God, that was shallow. Oh. Well, pfft. Joe Randall says don't leave fish to go find fish. But I am Joe Randall. Just because I'm experimenting before our tournament on Saturday. I'm learning how to wacky rig and all that. Oh God, do I have one? Or do, oh God, I got a good one this time. At least I think it's a good one. Feels like a better one. Feels like a better one. Come on, don't go. I have such light gear, it's hard to tell. Oh, no. I am like the worst netter. Yay! Number 2 dink. Welcome to the Royal Palace. Native watercraft, ship happens. Home to all dinks. We do accept occasional large visitors though, I'm just saying. I got another baby. You got another one? Little baby. They're like literally 4 inches from the edge of the water. Oh wow. Yeah, so go really close. Okay. Little guy. Little ones, huh? Yeah, but something at least. And I bet you there's bigger ones in there somewhere. They're just, they're smart, but they're really shallow. Like, they're really shallow. Okay, what are you using? I am using sort of a pumpkin green watermelon 3-inch Wacky rig Senko. Oh, okay. And I'm just letting it flop around out there. Yeah. GoPros. I got one. Oh! Damn it, that was a good one. Oh shit, did another one pick it up? Another one got it? The other one dropped it, and or maybe it's the same one. It's a greedy little guy, whatever it is. Come on. Oh, come on, little guy. Oh, my goodness. This is crazy. I'm gonna get in my prop and everything. Come on. Hey, I'll give them that. They fight really hard. Oh, damn it! Why? You know, I just want to be friends. Yay! I got one! That one dropped it and another one took it. Alright, so there's more than one in here. Ready? Ready? I know! There you go. That was a hungry guy. Alright. Let's just see what we can get here. That was a pretty good one I had the first time. I gotta tighten my drag a little. This might be one. Oh, got it. Oh, he's a feisty one. Where is he? Come on, come on. Oh, I got him! Woo! 2 in a row. All right. All right, easy, 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 easy. All right, ready? Come on, no, no, no. You go all the time and get out of the net. There you go, go! All right. Oh, got one. This is a better one. Can't see where he is. Where is he? Can't see in the reflection. It's a fighter. Come here, buddy. I can't even see him. Can't see him. Oh, he's better. One of the better ones. Come on, I can't see him. Oh, God. I'm going to lose this guy because I can't see him in the glare. Oh, I got a good one this time. Look at that. Look at that. I got a good one finally. I mean, my dinks are nice, but they're not as big as this guy. God damn it. This guy, much better. Much better. Alright. Finally got one I can maybe measure. I have not been able to get a bass over 12 inches since June. It has been a dry spell. This might actually be one. Capture. Capture. Well, it's been a wonderful day. Caught lots of little smallies. And feel like I've got a plan for this tournament. Gonna give it my best shot. Hope you guys enjoy this video, and if you get a chance, please subscribe, leave a comment below, and let me know what you think. This is just my adventure in kayak fishing. Love you guys. Bye-bye.